So I leveled up a little bit and I bought a 12-ton core iron forging press. So we're gonna give it a go today. I restacked the billet, cut and restacked it. So we're gonna forge weld it and see how it turns out. Man, I tell you what, after that billet cooled down, that is night and day difference. That's all I gotta say. That's gonna make my life a little bit easier, a little less sweaty, and probably a few less burns along the way too. Yeah, that thing is nice and uniform.